Good morning, boys and girls. Today we will make a Scratch game, okay? So I want you, when you open Scratch, you go to here, you find the main menu tutorials, okay? If you click on this, you will find how to make a story, how to make a music, okay? How to make the words. You will find different games, okay, and stories in here, and how you make each one of them, okay? So today I will select this one and we'll do it together. You can choose any other game you want or any other story and do it, and after that you just take a small video for what you did and send it to me in Google Classroom, okay? So I will choose this one, which is a chase game, okay? So now you will follow the steps in here. It will tell you everything, what the steps you want to do, okay? So after that, click on this arrow in here. It tell you to open the stage area and choose ocean, and you will repeat it again. So you open this one and choose ocean, or you find it in here called underwater, okay? Of course, we don't want the cat. You remember how to remove it. You just click on this X in here or right click and delete. So I will click on this one. So I deleted the cat now, okay? Now we go to the second step. I finish this one, click on the arrow. Okay, the second step will tell you to go and bring the octopus from choose a sprite. So I will choose sprite and I will write octopus. I found this is the octopus, okay? Click on this one. Yes, this is the octopus in here. Okay, I finish this one. Move the arrow. Yes. So it'll tell you what to do. Now I want you know the X direction and Y direction, right? This is the X direction, okay? And this is the Y direction, like this one. Okay, so I want to move it, make the octopus move in the X direction, left and right, with the arrow keys on the keyboard, right? So now the colors in here make it easier for you to go to know where is this block place. So this one is yellow. To go to events, the yellow, when key is pressed. Okay, I can move this one, make it to the right. So when which key? The right arrow key. Okay, so I change this one, just click on it and choose the right arrow key pressed. So when right arrow key pressed, what will happen? Change the X direction by 10. So you go to motion, this is blue, you find it in blue in motion, okay, and change the X by 10, okay. Now repeat again. When the left arrow key pressed, again go to events. When the left arrow key pressed, motion, change the X by this one minus to make it move to the left, okay, to the opposite direction. So now I finish the steps. If I want to check it, can click on shrink in here, okay. Now I will press the left arrow key and the right arrow key. This is the left and this is right with the keyboard. So yes, it's right. Go to the next step. Now the up arrow and down arrow. So the up and down in the Y direction, Y axis, okay. So again, I can duplicate this. Right click and duplicate. Okay, so no, I don't want to change X. This is one, change Y by, okay. Okay, left. This is the up arrow. Again, duplicate. I want this down arrow and minus to make it move to the down to the opposite direction, okay. Now you remember we make the sprite move and the directions right and up and down with another way, right? It was when you click on events, when you don't do that, okay? You just remember how we did it in another way. And move, and we used to use point in direction, okay? This is to make it go to the right, this is make it to down, left, and up, and we may tell it to move how many steps in which direction, and you choose what arrow to use, okay? So we did this before. This is another way, okay, to do this. Now check it again. Up, down, left, and right, okay? If I want to change the direction for the octopus, yes. Now we finish a step, go to the next one. Now we'll bring the star. So you click on this one and bring the starfish. Yes, this one. So this is the star. Okay. Press the next. Say when the flag is clicked. Okay. You will make forever this one orange. Again, go to blue in here, glide for 1 second in random position. Okay, this will make the star, you see, moves randomly in the stage area. Okay, so we will check it, see what happens now when I press the flag in here. Okay, so I finish this one, go to the next step. Again, you will do when the flag clicked. This is when touching play sounds. When the starfish touch, it will make a sound, okay? Go forever. This one, block if something happened, then do this. Okay, so bring this one. So this one called an if condition. So if I will put the condition in here, if something happened, then do this. Okay, so if touching the star, okay, oh, excuse me. Okay, if the octopus touches the star, right? So I will put this code in here on the octopus, not in the star. Okay, so go to the octopus and do this one. When the flag forever and do the if condition. So if touching the star, if the octopus touches the star, okay, now you're finding and sensing in here. So touching, and you drag it and put it in this one. Yes. Of touching what? Touching the star. Okay. So if touching the star, then you will go to sounds, play. What sound? Okay, till done. Okay. Now you will see each time. Wait, I will make to listen to the. Now see, each time the starfish touch the octopus, it will play the sound. Okay. Now I want to stop everything. You go to control in here and make stop. Everything will stop. Okay. Now go to the next step. Tell you to make a variable. Okay. So how you do it? You go to variables and make a variable. Okay, here variables and make a variable. So again, go make a variable and type score in the variable and press OK. So we go to variables, make a variable and type score and press OK. Here we find this one. See, this is score. This is a variable we just did now. Okay. The next step wants you to change score by 1 in the octopus area. So you go to the octopus, make sure you press the octopus, this one, okay, and change score by, change score by 1, okay. Press next, and if the game is finished, close. Now we'll try the game. Press the flag. Okay, now you can make the octopus change by the keyboard arrows and go. Yeah, touch. Okay, run. 3. She sees the score changes now because now the star touch the octopus 4 times. Run away. Okay, this is how you do a fun game with Scratch. Again, you don't have to just do this game, just do any other story or a game by tutorials area in here and take a small video for what you did and send it to me in Google Classroom. Okay, goodbye.